Hi there. Welcome to the Christmas series with TJ Craft Creations. Today we are going to do some Christmas ornaments. These ornaments you can put it up on your own trees or even send to your friends as gifts, and they can in turn put up on their trees. So you can share your personalized ornaments with your friends and families. So I have a few samples for you. So the first one is I have used chipboard or the back of the paper craft paper, the sheets that we get from Lidl. So I have used those to cut out these circles, and I've used the dies, which are the circle die, the star die, and the scallop die for the uh, ornaments that I'm showing today. But you can always use whichever dies you have in place, or even you can use your own circle cutter or cut out your own shapes. So what I've done is I've taken a piece of cardboard and I'll cut a piece of blue. We're going to apply this on top of this, and I've cut a piece of this is a die which cut out the nice beautiful trees and the deer. So this is the background scene, and we'll just put in a punch here, punch a hole here, and this can be put on the tree. So we'll just see what to do. The second one is I have a star, and I cut out this with cardboard again, this with white cardstock. I have a smaller star and a snowflake. I have doubled this up as 3 layers, and we'll just put it on top of this. The third one, I have used a scalloped circle. I've cut out another scalloped piece here, okay, and I've cut out a few trees from glitter cardstock, and we'll just apply this. This one, I've used a cardboard piece, a white cardstock on top of that, and a blue glitter paper on top of that, and these are decoupage sheets that we got from Lidl, and we just put up the decoupage on top of each other and build the snowman up. This is very, very simple, and you can also include your children for crafting in this case. This one is again a and the last one, wherein again it's a circle die. I have used the poinsettias and a few flowers, leaves, that's it, and a sentiment here. So now all our ornaments are ready. You can also use these as toppers for your cards. I'm not adding any sentiments. I've just added on this one. The others I will be adding it when I send them out to my friends. So in this case I've already punched a hole. We'll just do it for the others as well. Okay, so now all you have to do is just put in your ribbon through this, and you can send it out to your friends. So these are few of the ornaments that I just made, and I hope you like them. These are from the decoupage sheets from Lidl, and these I've used dies, but you can do them without dies as well, and just send it out to your friends with your own personalized messages and sentiments. So I hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.